What is up everyone? I hope you're doing great and you are all safe. So nagbabalik po tayo para sa isa na namang video about tech. So for the second series of our Tech Under 500, we will be reviewing and unboxing this blood pressure monitor from Indoplas Philippines. I'll give the description below, and this is just worth 499 pesos. So let's get unboxing. Okay, so sa mga naghahanap dyan ng mga blood pressure monitors in times like this, kasi hindi tayo makalabas and to go to the hospitals kasi medyo hindi safe, these blood pressure monitors are best for those who are on a budget and also naghahanap ng way para mag-monitor natin ang ating mga blood pressure at mga blood pressure ng ating mga parents or ating mga nakakatanda. So na-introduce kami sa battery operated na mga blood pressure monitors kasi yung kapitbahay namin is meron sila netong Omron blood pressure monitor, pero this is worth 2,500. So naghahanap kami ng mas murang blood pressure monitor. That's why we stumbled upon this Cardinal Blood Pressure Monitor from Indoplas Philippines. So check na muna natin yung box. So sa labas ng kanyang box, kita natin mukha namang silang masaya. Cardinal Blood Pressure Monitor, Intelligent Speech. So I'm not sure what that means. Irregular Beat Indicator, World Health Organization Classification, 2x90 groups of memory. At our right side, ito yung mga makikita natin. So how to use. And then at the left side, we have the product specifications. Sa taas, we just have a picture of the product inside of the blood pressure monitor. So let's open it up. 1.5 week din bago dumating tong blood pressure monitor na to, and it came from NCR. So we are in Laguna. So 1.5 week during this quarantine period. So opening the box, you have your 4 AA batteries. You have your cord, power cord, kasi pwede din tong gamitin directly sa ating outlet. So maghanap ka lang ng adapter and then you're good to go. Then you have your pads here. Ito yung nilalagay sa ating elbow, shoulder, whatever, para ma-check natin. And ito yung nag-i-inflate. Yan. So it has velcro, and then ito I believe will be stick or i-connect sa ating main hub or yung ating blood pressure monitor. So ito itsura niya. Meron siyang set, memory, and start and stop. So I think it's very easy to use for those who are not tech savvy. And then you have your manuals right here. So check na natin to. Let's put it side by side with the Omron. So ang kaibahan niya lang dito, mas more vertical si Omron and mas more horizontal ating Indoplas blood pressure monitor. So lalagyan ko na to ng batteries para matest na natin. Okay, so ganito gagawin natin. We will be testing first this Omron para makita natin yung kakaiba na itong dalawang products na to. So you just strap that in. And so ganito gamitin tong Omron na worth 2,500. So you just press on start and then start again, and then you just wait. So mag-i-start siya and it's inflating. So ang normal ko is around 120/80, which is I think usual for most people. And random ako, nag-inflate na siya and sumisikip siya. Okay. So in a bit, malalaman natin kung ilan ang aking blood pressure. Okay, so I have 125/72. So I think that's pretty normal. Kasi when you're using products like this, compared to the hospitals, just give it around 10% margin of error. Lalo yung mga gantong tutunan ko siya somewhere when I was studying. So yung mga gantong blood pressure monitor, just give it a 10% margin of error. So 125/72, so I think that's fairly normal for my blood pressure. So itest naman natin tong Cardinal Blood Pressure Monitor from Indoplas. So again, same procedure. This is how you will use it. Yan, may velcro. So check natin kung how it performs compared with this Omron. So just press start.
Please remain seated and refrain from talking during measurement. And keep cuff at the heart level.
Stricto naman ito. Pero I think yun yung sinasabi niya sa box about intelligent speech. So nagsasalita siya and it's talking with you. Ayan, nararamdaman ko na nag-i-inflate siya. Feels almost the same with the Omron one.
Your blood pressure is systolic 142 millimeter of mercury, diastolic 72 millimeter of mercury. Your pulse was 88. Your blood pressure is normal.
Okay, so I've got 142/72 here. Again, when using these products na digital and battery powered, you have to consider that there's a 10% margin of error compared to the Omron. It's a fairly nice product considering its price, $499, and this is $2,500. Pwede din tong gamitin ng people who are blind kasi it tells you what the readings are, and I think it's a nice addition compared to the Omron na pinapakita niya lang here in the screen. So I think that's a nice addition. And also, there are a few things na hindi ko tinignan kasi for the primary use naman, it will be on blood pressure monitoring. So, hindi ko na masyadong explore for this video. Pero I do think for the price, I can recommend this one for everyone. So, it's 499 pesos from Shopee. I'll put the link down below para you can buy it and you can have that peace of mind for your family at home. So that was it for my unboxing of this Cardinal blood pressure monitor from Indoplas Philippines. If you like this video, just click on that like button and comment down below if you have questions. I will try my best to answer them. Subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. So this was part 2 of our Tech Under 500 series. I have other techs and also I posted my first vlog on my channel, so just check it out and I'll see you on the next one.
Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Is he real?